You can just tell that we're gonna get a ton of snow just by how the air smells and how it looks outside and the temperature. So we're here at the bottom of the farm, of my last farm that I have to harvest. So Dad's up in the combine, Travis is coming down the hill. We're waiting for the semi to show up. He's supposed to show up any minute now. We gotta put this arm down. Hey everybody, it's Ryan. Welcome back to How Farms Work. Today we are finishing up my field, and this will be all my crops. Dad's up on top of the hill harvesting, and we just got the last truck for today. We want to get everything out because if you couldn't tell, it is snowing right now. So rather than leave everything stand up on the hill, where I wouldn't even want to try to get it out if we had like an inch of snow, because it would be way too dangerous. It's kind of slippery even now, so we're trying to get everything out before it gets too late and there's too much snow. So we are now able to run Big Red on the road. So we brought it out here and they just dumped the first load on the front. I'm not totally sure how much is left. Hopefully we can fit everything on here. It's gonna be not very good if there's just a few acres, or not even, like a half acre left up on top of the hill. So we're out here now. Andrew just went up with Travis. Andrew and I made sure that the trailer was good to go. We opened up the doors on the bottom. We made sure that they were functional, and we got the ice blocks that were formed in the tarp out. So now we just wait for them to come back. Said you want to drive it back?
I can, yeah.
All right. I can bring your truck if you want me to.
It don't matter. You can give me a ride back here. Do you want to just take the tractor and then we can come back and get the pickups? Then we'll all get there about the same time and there'll be enough people.
Yeah, we bring your pickup with one guy.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna wash my truck.
So Andrew's about to leave with the last load of my corn. I asked him if he wanted to drive it because with this snow, I'm not too confident driving it. So well, maybe once the roads are dried up, but I can probably imagine that the roads are pretty slick right now, and considering that he's an experienced CDL driver, it's probably a better idea if he does it. So he's about to leave now. Dad's taking the combine. Travis already left with the 82, and I'm gonna take the 4640 back. We're gonna come back, and get the pickups. There goes Big Red. Did you have any problems with it? No? We just got back from Big Red's first maiden voyage for us, so she did pretty good. Learning to drive truck is something that really just takes experience. I've been reading all about how to drive a truck, and it just seems like nothing is really exactly how they say it. You just kind of have to get a feel for the truck, and once you do, I feel like I'm honestly getting better at this. I still don't really know how comfortable I am driving down to the local grain elevator, but where we just went was another farm that takes grain for their own use because they go through a lot of it. So I just took it there and unloaded, and everything went pretty smoothly. So I'm not really sure if we're going to keep using Big Red because we do have trucks lined up for the rest of harvest, which harvest should be over very soon. So yeah, she works fairly good. I like it. I don't know. I guess I'll have to post a more in-depth review next year once I've had more experience driving around the road. There is some work that needs to be done on Big Red, so we're going to be working on her over the winter. And yeah, that's that. So I'm going to shut this thing off and call her good. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Be sure to check out all of our other ones. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, all how farms work. And with that, I'll see you next time.